What is up, guys? This is my third big video on YouTube. So guys, today I'm just going outside again. I really like going outside, and this edition is not only for fun. This edition is because there's a lot of wind outside. I just want to go outside, and school's canceled today because of the wind. That's pretty nifty, huh? Because if you are watching this in California, Southern Cal, and SoCal, you might be experiencing the same thing. And if you are, so sorry for y'all, because I'm living in it too. I'm pretty cold, you can tell. That's the way I'm dressing. But I'm wearing basketball shorts and Crocs. It's pretty windy, I do have to say. Yeah, it's pretty windy. If you guys can even see or hear the wind in the background. Hope my do-rag doesn't fly off. I'm only wearing this because I have a forehead. I do not want y'all to see. But yeah, I've been making fun of on my head size, so I'm gonna wear this. But at school, I'm not gonna wear it because I don't want to get jumped. Right now, y'all, you should see this wind. Oh shoot! These are the trees. My dog. Hi, Bobby. This is my dog. And today I'm just hanging out outside. Just being goofy. Look like I'm from a different country, huh? Because family is from a different country. I'm Italian. Sorry for rambling. And school got canceled because there's a power outage in my school that I go to. And it was really weird because I had a fever yesterday. Today I feel fine. And I knew that the school might shut down tomorrow. Like tomorrow being today. Last night I got the warning that the school might shut down for a day, maybe even 2 days. I might be gone tomorrow. But on Friday, I'm going to IHOP. Woo! After school, I'm going to IHOP. And this is I only make a couple of big videos because I'm mainly about these trends and shorts. But I'm just on my property because I'm just on my driveway because I don't want to go too far. But today's pretty windy. The wind stopped right now, but it'll get windier in the afternoon, so I might post later. And I got this from school. It's my school color. But what does that have to do with today's video? Today's video is about me going outside. One second, I'm gonna make that sound. It's about me going outside and just having fun. Well, I'm not adventuring as much, but I'm just walking, pacing around, My head is pretty big. And I don't want to go too far because I don't want to get hit by a tractor. But I'm going to go to Knott's soon for a vlog. So I'm going to be vlogging at Knott's. I'm going to make a couple of videos there. And they might be uploaded to YouTube by the time I get back, or when I'm in the car. So yeah, pretty fun day. And I just wanted to film outside to show y'all how crazy it is today. So I'm gonna go back inside. And I know it's pretty shorter than my last video, my last big video. But that's what y'all saw. So you just gotta be grateful for what I showed y'all. Alright, thank you for watching. I love y'all. Peace. Bye-bye.